morning and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got so many projects going on. At the same time, I'm getting a little overwhelmed, but I'm going to paint some tables today. I have a cabinet, an entertainment center that I got from one of the secondhand sites, but somebody was just giving it away. So I'm going to redo that today. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to wax it, and then I'm going to stress it a little bit, along with the tables, so they all match. I'm working on my own rug. Now listen, when you're redecorating your house on a tiny, tiny, tiny budget, you need to learn to be creative. So I had the fabric, and unfortunately I don't have a sewing machine, so I glued two big pieces together and then I sewed them by hand. But today I'm going to finish it up, and you'll see how it pulls together. Also, before I get started on that, I need to have a quick. Let me just run down how YouTube works. Now, I've only been uploading for maybe, I don't know what, a month and a couple weeks. And I have over 500 views on my channel. But my subscribers aren't reflecting that. So, when I first started this, I wasn't into pushing for subscribers, but I would love to get monetized on this channel. It would be a great source of income for me. So, if you like the content of my videos, if you come back and you watch once, twice, whatever, subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers I get, the better off I will be. So, with that out of the way, okay, let's get started on today's projects. Oh, and I'm sitting in my living room. This is a little sneak peek at what's happening. My little corner. I went to Dollar Tree and I got some fake flowers and stuck them in vases. I put up some pictures, and that little corner there, that's a little sneak peek. It's a little. It's coming together. Okay, let's go. So much to do. Let's go. Okay, what I've done is I've taken two pieces of fabric that were about that long, and I've sewn. First I glued them. I bought this tacky glue. I bought this tacky glue from the Dollar Tree. I was very shocked to find it, and it was $1. So what I did was first I glued the seam together. I glued it together. Then after it dried, then I sewed it. So what I'm going to do today, and this is going to be an area rug that's going to go in front of my couches. The colors actually are going to match very nicely, and it's actually saving me about $140 for more because that's just how much an 8x10 or even a 6x8 or even a square rug, the size that I need, would be. So this is actually costing me $1 because I've already had the fabric that I bought at a rummage sale. I already had the fabric that I bought at a rummage sale for $2, and it's just been sitting around and I didn't know what to do with it. Now I'm putting it to good use. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut in each corner here, and I'm going to fold over and glue so that there's a nice flat seam all the way around the rug. But let's get started on that. I also bought some brand new scissors. They were $1, and I desperately needed them. So actually this project cost me $2. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this all the way around, and then I'm going to sew it in the corners. Then I'm going to sew it in the corners and see how it looks. This is my first attempt at making my own rug. Okay. While this is drying, the glue is drying, I'm going to get started on my table. And come back. I wasn't quite sure what to do with this, but a vision came to me. I'm taking off the doors and I'm going to save those for a different project. I'm revamping this whole thing to match the tables. So every piece of furniture in this section of the living room is going to match, and it's going to look beautiful. So let's get started on that. All the doors are off. It's definitely going to make this piece look a little more modern. And that's what I want. So I'm going to clear it out and sand it down a little bit and then get started painting. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to do the inside gray. The same gray I used on the walls. I decided the bottom base is coming off. So it's just going to be a square entertainment center. Much more modern and hopefully beautiful. Be right back. Okay, my camera died and I didn't know it. So what I'm doing now is because I am extra all the time and I can't do things simply, I'm painting each box a different color to match the accent wall. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll be back when that's done. Okay, colors are all done. I'm going to put a light coat of cream wax on the outside and the top so that it protects it. And then I'm pretty much done with this one. And this is how you turn a 1970s entertainment center into something modern. I'm really pleased with the way this came out. Okay. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to do this in 2 parts because I just ran out of energy. But entertainment center's done. Entertainment center's done. It's looking beautiful and modern. Tomorrow I will do the 3 tables and finish my rug. And this room should be almost done. I just have a few little touches of paint to do, and then I can reveal my living room. So I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.